Can you read English? Of course, it's very easy. Can you understand English? Absolutely, it's a piece of cake. Okay, can you speak fluent English? What happened? You can read English, understand English, but you can't speak fluent English. You are looking for this question, why are you not able to speak fluent English? So now we are going to discuss reasons. Reason number one, you waste too much time in grammar. You want to speak English, you don't need advanced grammar but basic grammar. Reason number two, don't start thinking in English. Let me take an example to explain you. You know Hindi well, but you don't know anything about French. I am telling you right now, please think in French. Can you think in French? No, it's not possible because you are a beginner. You don't know anything about French. So, how to think in French? So, it's not possible. In the same way, first of all, you learn English and then you think in English. Without learning English, you can't think in English. So, most important for you, first of all, you learn English and then think in English. Reason number, lack of confidence. You have lack of confidence? Forgive me, my dear friends. You can never speak fluent English. First of all, you need a confidence. How to improve a confidence? So you can wait for my next video. In the end, I want to say please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.